Hey there, it's Vicki Marie. I'm going to share my Walmart grocery haul with you today, and it's kind of a bigger haul, so I'm just going to jump right into it. Let's just go right to our weekly Walmart grocery haul. And I don't always shop at Walmart every week though. But a lot of times I do. I did the Walmart pickup today, and I was also shopping for a little bit of Memorial Day stuff too, so let's check that out. So here's some of the groceries I just got, and the rest are in the other room. Here's the rest of the groceries. I'm just going to pull them out and give you guys the prices on it. So I'm going to do the frozen things first. I bought a couple of these fudgesicles, of course. The boxes, they are $4.64 each, and these are the ones I buy all the time. Now, I bought 3 of my sugar-free Coffee Mate because John has plenty of his. So I went in and just stocked up on mine. I was completely out. This was $3.68 each, and that's for 32-ounce bottles. Now I picked up some of these Delanex. They're the beef taquitos. There's 23 in a box, and these were $5.38. Layered these between cheese and salsa, and a couple layers of these with cheese and salsa in the middle. And you top it and you bake it, and it actually works really well. So that's what I'm going to do with these. All right, so these are the Alexia Crinkle cut sweet potato fries with sea salt and black pepper, non-GMO ingredients. These are $4.24, and that's a 20-ounce bag. And they're frozen. They're super good. And I did pick up 1 bag of the Bird's Eye steam fresh broccoli florets, and this was $1.97. So it's for a 10.8 ounce bag, just for convenience to just cook really quick on one of those busy nights. I got this potato salad. It's the deviled egg potato salad. We really like this. This was $5.97, and it's 18. It's 18.7 cents an ounce. It's 32-ounce package. So 2 pounds for $5.97. I got some of the provolone Sargento sliced cheese. I really like this, and this is the 8-ounce, 12 slices. I got some of this organic spring mix, and this was 16 ounces, and I paid $4.94 for that. Now the bread was $5.47. That's for the Dave's Killer Bread organic bread, 21 whole grains, 70 calories each. It's for a 1 pound, 4.5 ounce. Now the avocados were $1.28 each. The sweet potato was 86 cents. And I got bananas. I went ahead and bought 8 bananas. Usually I only get 6, but I did get 8. And these were $1.60 for 8 of them. And so they're at 58 cents a pound right now. Well, I like the Del Monte. Yeah, the Del Monte at Walmart I liked. I bought some Taquito bananas somewhere else I didn't like as well, but these Del Montes are really, really sweet. I bought a couple of cans of the cream of mushroom soup, the Campbell's. These were $1.18 a can. I bought some chicken broth, and this is the Swanson's, 33% less sodium, and that's for 32 ounces. And this was $2.42. And of course, the value pack of the Nature Valley granola cups. There are 10 packs in here, and each pack has 2 cups, and those were $6.62 each. And Pop-Tarts, frosted blueberry Pop-Tarts. There's 16 in here, and they were $4.14. And yep, about twice a week, John will eat a Pop-Tart after dinner, like for a snack, and I will eat all the burnt edges. Like if there's any edges that are kind of a little bit cooked, I'll eat those. So we do like those. I got some of this organic spring mix, and this was 16 ounces, and I paid $4.94 for that. So I got some more of the blackberries. I really like these, and I got 2 packs. And they are the 6-ounce container. I got 2 of them, and they were $2.98 each. And I got a pack of mushrooms, and these were $3.84, and that's for a 16-ounce container. They are sliced, ready to go. I was able to get some more of these carrot chips. They're a pound. The bag is a pound bag, 1 pound bag. I got 2 of them. So they're $1.77 each, and they're just sliced a little different. I've shown these before. Last week I wasn't able to get them, and We really like these. We eat them, just dip in ranch dressing, and they're so good just to snack on. And yeah, we really enjoyed those. I bought a 16-ounce container of the strawberries, and they were $2.12. The blackberries and the strawberries, the ones I've been buying, have been so good. Nice and sweet, really good. Have really enjoyed those. Now this turkey, it's the oven roasted turkey, 1 pound, 8 ounces. Is that right? Oh, 1 pound, 6 ounce. 1 pound, 6 ounce container for $8.63. So I paid 39.2 cents per ounce was what I paid for this. I bought a 1 pound bag of the finely shredded sharp cheese, just the Great Value brand, and this was $3.98. This was 2.8 full ounces, and it's a sunflower bacon crunch salad kit. We really like these, and this was $3.88. So we ordered the Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, and that's for 2 pounds, 8 ounces. So got 2 bottles, and they were $2.98 each. And they threw in 2 more. We didn't pay for them. They just put those in, and I was trying to figure out why, but I think it was just a mistake. So I have 15 ounces of the Classico Creamy Alfredo. That was $2.16. And I have 1 pound, 8 ounce jar of the Bertolli tomato basil sauce, which we really like. These are 2 staples in our house. Now the coffee, oh man, I got 22 cups of the Keurig cups, 22, the Dunkin' decaf. I like to have decaf on hand, and that was $17.92. And then of course the Peet's coffee, the dark roast Major Dickinson's blend. This is what we drink in the morning. We love this, and it's the ground coffee. I think it's a little cheaper if you can just do the ground coffee. I do the Keurig because our coffee maker is both. Roscoe up there, my assistant. Roscoe, what you doing, buddy? And I do the Keurig for my decaf because I'm the only one here during the afternoon usually, and I don't want to make a whole pot of decaf. So, but John and I both drink caffeinated, so that's why we use the ground coffee pot side, the big coffee pot side for this. But this was $27 and it was $13.58 each. So $27.16 total for both. And that was for 1 pound, 2 ounces, so 18 ounce bag. And we bought 2 of them. So I got 3 bags of the Seeds of Change. And I did get, now 2 of these are, 2 are the 7 whole grains, and 1's the brown basmati rice. And those were all $2.48 each. And then I also got some Idaho Homestyle Buttery potatoes, the mashed potatoes, and those, these are just staples at our house. So it's 4 ounces for each container. They say there's 4 servings in each one of these, but they're $3. Oh, these were $1.12 each. So they're basically saying $1.12 for 4 servings. I don't know if that's actually a quarter cup, but not a bad price. I've seen them at Family Dollar for about that price too. So I did get some CeraVe, the AM, and CeraVe, the PM. This is what I've been using morning and night. I like this stuff. Now the AM, it's for 3 ounces. So 3 ounces of the AM, and the AM was $13.47. 2 ounces for the PM. This does have the hyaluronic acid, 3 essential, okay. Has the ceramides and the niacinamide, I think is how you say it. And okay, anyway, so that's the 2 ounce, and that is $9.97. Now this is 10.5 ounces. It's the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I like this, and this will last me quite a long time. This was $6.97, and I actually got a different one. I got the coconut, but they substituted it for this. I got 2 of these Dreambone, the mini sticks wrapped with real chicken, and these are a staple for Roscoe, 8.8 ounce each, and those were $12.96 for each bag. Now I do remember when they were more like $9, I think they were like just under $10. So everything's gone up, but this I really do notice. And this is 13.3 ounces, and it's the, it's just the Dreambone. The Dreambone, it's chicken. These do have vitamin and minerals in them, but this is made with real peanut butter. Now this one was $11.98. And there are 20 mini bones in each pack of these. Now the pedigree is what I've been feeding Roscoe, and this has 18 pouches, and there's 6 of each flavor. So filet mignon, grilled chicken, and hickory smoked chicken flavor. And that was $13.68. All right, so for the Lay's the party size Lay's, that's let's see, 13 ounces of potato chips. Those were $4.78. These are 16.5 ounce each of these On the Border Mexican Grill cafe style chips, and those were $3.48 each. Now really do look away if you are on a diet. It's Memorial Day weekend. We're just, we thought we were going to go camping, which we did not. And so I was planning to eat a few naughty foods, and I went ahead and picked up a couple things. So for the Hershey Bars, those were $3.98, and they're the milk chocolate, and there are 6 1.55 ounce bars in there. So we got that. And then the Oreo Thins. So we've always loved Oreos, but I like the Thins even better. Now this is for a 13.1 ounce package, and that was $4.28. And that's my haul, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I do try to do a week, at least one time a week, I show you what I'm buying, my groceries and all. So, let me know how things are at your Walmart. Our Walmart was very well stocked. I had no substitutions except for the Dove body scrub that I did buy. Everything else I got, I was kind of surprised. Prices are, of course, up a bit. The total bill was close to $300, and that was a bit of a shocker, to be honest. I don't know why. I still get shocked over that. So, yeah. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're doing well. Take care. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.